Hello all. In this video, let us try to understand the different components of skill of organizing small group activities. The first component of skill of organizing small group activity is type of small group activity. This component refers to the type of group to be formed by the teacher for a specific learning technique or strategy. The next component is instructions for forming groups. Instructions must be clear and relevant to the type of group. The language should be simple. Instructions are given regarding naming the groups, fixing the leader of the group, and so on. Next component is instructions for group learning task. This component refers to the instructions to be given by the teacher for the groups regarding the purpose of the group activity, what to be done in the group, how to carry on or perform the activity, and what should be the end task of the group activity. The next and important component of skill of organizing small group activity is materials provided to the group activity. This component refers to the learning materials provided for the group activity. The learning materials can be manipulatives, charts, flashcards, models, boards, printed materials, newspaper cuttings, handouts, worksheets, PowerPoint presentation, multimedia presentation, or any other appropriate material. The learning materials must be relevant, should have appropriate color and size, and sufficient enough. The next component is monitoring the group activity. When the groups are engaged in performing the activity, the teacher's role is to facilitate the learning process. The teacher must supervise the groups with respect to the involvement of the members in the activity, directions in which the group work is going on, and whether there are any problems faced by them. The teacher can provide guidance if required and direct their activity. Next component is closure of group activity. This component refers to the teacher's actions like eliciting the answers from the groups at the end of activity, monitoring intergroup and intragroup discussions, guiding groups to come to the conclusions, and giving instructions regarding the closure of the activity. The last component of skill of organizing small group activities is assessment of individual learning or group performance. Individual assessment can be done by using achievement tests, performance tasks, and rubrics. Group performance is assessed by conducting quiz, using rubrics, rating scales, and portfolio assessment. Assessment is usually done at the end of the group activity, but it can also be done during the performance of the group activity.